Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Takeshi, and those who've never been on this channel before, on this channel we'll talk about foreign languages, especially Japanese, and how I can help you guys learn it faster, better, and more efficiently. And today on this channel we're going to be starting a new series which is going to be more focused on conversational Japanese. So if you're interested, stick around. So, as the first episode, we're going to be talking about subject pronouns. That's what we're going to be talking about today, and I think that's very, very basic of any languages, period. So I think it's going to help you tremendously. As I said, this is going to be more on conversational, but since this is the beginning part, so it may be perceived as a grammatical, but again, it's going to be helpful. So let's get to it. So, first thing first, it's gonna be I. Watashi, watashi. So it just means I in Japanese. You, anata, anata. He is kare, kare. She is kanojo, kanojo. So those are the four basic Japanese pronouns. And then what we do is we add suffix. In this case is tachi. So tachi is what you add at the end of these subject pronouns to make them plural. So for example, watashi, like I said, means I. You put Watashi+tachi, it means we. Anata, you again. Anata+tachi means you all. And Kare+tachi means they. And Kanojo+tachi, they again. But Kanojo+tachi, as of for those people who ever studied any Romance language and stuff, Kanojo+tachi is all female. So if there's one man in the group, and then becomes Kare+tachi. And that's pretty much is the basics of subject pronoun in Japanese. So to dig a little bit deeper on this subject, there are different ways to say words such as I and you. Like I think if you have ever watched any movies or music or any of that type of Japanese media, I think you guys probably know the people say it a little bit differently. But for this section of it, and since this is the first video, I'm going to try to keep it as concise as possible. Watashi, anata, I find is the most basic format, and whether the situation is formal or slightly more casual, I think it fits the best. Like if you start using some of the more formal versions, then you won't be able to use those for more casual versions, and vice versa. So watashi, anata, I find is probably the most versatile version of I and you in Japanese. What else about subject pronouns? Oh yeah, lastly. So subject pronouns in Japanese can be omitted depending on the situation. So for example, if you're talking to someone directly in their face, then you don't need to say anata something at all time. You can just omit it and just keep going with the object verb order. Just keep going with the rest of the sentence. Which if you're an English speaker, it may sound strange, but quite frankly actually it's very, very common in Japanese. It's very rare that we keep saying I or you at the beginning of the sentence. So we can just cut the subject once it's understood, and then we can just move on to the rest of the sentence. So that pretty much sums up for the Japanese subject pronouns. If you guys have any questions about this, I think it should be pretty straightforward. But let me know. Just leave a question in the comment section, and I'll answer when I get to it. So, but I'm just going to be continuing this series with more conversational Japanese. So if there's any other topic you want me to cover next, please leave that as well. But otherwise, I'm just gonna start from the basic, and everybody will come along, and we just build it from here. Again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.